guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm back with another FabBag unboxing video for you all. So if you all interested in knowing what all we have in May FabBag, then please keep on watching. So as usual, I have received my May FabBag in this cardboard box, and when you open it, the bag this month, oh my god, it's so yummy. I totally love this bag a lot. It's very spacious and it's very big, and it totally screams that tropical and summer vibe. And I think this is one of my favorites from the bags I've received so far. So yeah, I totally love this bag. When I check this out on their Instagram page, it looked little smaller, but I'm so happy that it's really big and very spacious. It's actually well made, so it's gonna last really long. So I totally love this pouch. I'm sure I'm gonna use it a lot. So let's see what all we have inside. So let's check out their info card. So the first, obviously, we have the Summer Loving May FabBag info card, wherein they have mentioned all the product details and their MRP and everything. And in my FabBag contest, this time if you participate and win, then you're gonna get 4 shades of WC Beauty Stella Matte Lip Potion. So these liquid lipstick you're gonna get if you win. So I'm really excited to participate this time as well. I always participate and I won 3 times. So yeah, I really wish to win this time as well, because 4 lipstick, who doesn't want 4 lipsticks? So yeah, even shades are pretty fine. So yeah, I'm totally gonna participate. So the first thing I see here is from the brand called Keeva Naturals. It's their Scuba Dive body wash, and it says especially created for FabBags. So yeah, this one retails for 200 rupees, and it's full size product. And how much? It's 100 ml product. So that's how the product looks like. If you can see, it's blue in color, and let's smell this. It smells decent. It's not too much heavy or strong fragrance, so I absolutely love this. I'm sure even boys can use this for sure. Yeah, it's very decent and very pleasant. So that's the body wash, the first thing we have received in May FabBag. So that's the first thing. Now the second thing I see here is from the brand called Ekta Vedant's Tea Tree Face Wash plus Neem. So it's their deep cleansing sulfate free face wash, and I'm sure this is a sample size product, and this one retails for 125 rupees for 40 ml of product. So that's how the product looks like. I think we have received their body wash as well, and I haven't used it yet because I am using my older one. Yeah, this one also smells just like tea tree and any other tea tree face wash. So yeah, a decent product. So that's the next product we have in May FabBag. Now the next product I see here is from the brand Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. It's their coconut oil body firming sheet mask, and this one is really unique. Like, I haven't heard about this before. Like, I haven't come across anything like this. It says it's a sheet mask which you can use on any body part you want. So you can use it on your stomach, you can use it on your thigh, your upper arm, or anywhere you want. So here we have the instruction you can use. So this one contains 2 packs, so you can use it on 2 of your body parts. So that's very exciting. I'm really looking forward to use this one, because मैंने ये कभी नहीं सुना कि आपका body sheet mask भी आता है. So yeah, it's especially for, like, it says targeted toning for hips, thighs and upper arms. So that's really exciting. So I'm gonna use this after I finish this video, because I'm really excited to see how actually this works. And it says it's visible results in as little as 4 weeks. So that's really amazing. That's the next product we have, and this one is really expensive. Okay, let me tell you the prices. So this one retails for 550 rupees, and the expiry of this one is, okay, it will be here somewhere. So expiry of this one is in December 2021. So yeah, that's there. So this one was the third product in May FabBag. Now the second last product we have here is from the brand called Brick New York. We have received their we have received their lip liner before as well. So it's their ultimate matte liquid lipstick, and I chose the shade Floral Coffee 08. So you had the choice to get your shade. They had like 4 to 5 shades to choose from, and I went ahead and chose my comfort zone, obviously. So this is how the liquid lipstick looks like, and that's exactly what I'm wearing right now on my lips. So I'm still gonna give you a swatch to give you a better idea. So that's how this swatch looks like. It's very, you know, dark brown and dark nude color, and that's how the shade looks on my hand. I absolutely love this color. You can see I'm wearing right now and it's looking stunning. So this is my comfort zone. Like, I love such colors a lot, so I'm really happy to have this one in my May fab bag. Now the last product we have is from the brand Tintin. It's their Tintin, not teen eyeshadow. It's their 5D eyeshadow, and I chose the shade Rusty Copper. They had other 2 options as well. One was on the pinker tone and other one was pure golden. I don't like golden color, but I was confused between pink and this one, but I thought let's just go ahead and choose copper shade for myself, so I did that. Now let me show you the packaging from inside as well. So that's how the eyeshadow looks like, and when you open this, it's gonna look something like this. It's actually a 5D and it creates such illusion over here. So I'm gonna give you a swatch of this as well. See how pigmented it is, and it's very creamy. It's not powdery at all, and I absolutely love this one. I have applied it on my lids as well, so I totally love this. And I was just thinking of, you know, if I take a little bit of shadow and apply this on the lipstick, it's gonna turn metallic. See, it's gonna look really nice if you apply it on your lipstick, because it's the formula. It's very creamy and very waxy, and it's gonna just look amazing. It's not powdery at all, so I'm really impressed with the quality. And this one retails for, this one retails for 349 rupees, and yeah, the expiry of this one is, I think this one expires in 2024, so that's a great thing. You can use this for longer run. So that was all in May's fab bag. So I received around 5 products. You can totally check out my other fab bag if you don't know what fab bag is. I will link the playlist down below. You can just check out in my playlist. I have made separate playlists for my other fab bag unboxing videos as well. So that was all. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification if you want to get notified whenever I upload new video. You can share this with your friends and family, and yeah, like this video. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.